Hey, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. So you have the Canon R50 or maybe you're thinking about getting one. You might feel a bit nervous or excited. Don't worry. I'm here to help you. Let's go through the best settings for beginners step by step together. Ready? Let's start. Let's get your camera ready. Take your Canon R50 out of the box. See the lens? Line up the red dot on the lens with the red dot on the camera and turn it gently until it clicks. Now grab the battery. Open the little door underneath the camera. Push the battery in and close it. Do you have your SD card? Put it in next to the battery. All set? Good. Now flip the switch on top to turn your camera on. Easy, right? Let's look at the big dial on top of your camera. See that green auto symbol? Start with that. It's your friend. Auto mode does all the hard work for you. If you want to experiment, there's something called scene mode. In scene, you can pick portrait for faces, landscape for nature, or sports for action. Don't worry if you don't remember all this. Just try one and see what happens. Let's make sure your photos look great. Press the menu button on your camera. Find image quality. I recommend setting it to JPEG fine. This gives you good images and doesn't fill your card too fast. Later, if you want to edit photos, you can use RAW. But for now, let's keep it simple. Focus helps your pictures like sharp. Check your lens. Turn the switch to AF for autofocus. On the camera, look for one shot AF. That's perfect for normal photos. If you want to take the pictures of something moving like your dog running, use servo AF. This will keep your camera focused on moving things. Try both and see which one you like. Let's talk about brightness. ISO is the setting that controls how bright or dark your photo is. Go to menu, find ISO, and set it to auto. Let the camera choose for you. If you want to play with it, you can change the numbers. But auto is safe for now. White balance helps your colors look real. Go to menu, find white balance, and set it to auto. If your photo looks too blue or too orange, you can pick daylight or cloudy to fix it. You don't have to worry too much. Auto works well most of the time. Do you want to make videos? Press the red button. It's for video mode. In the menu, pick 1080p for the video resolution. That's good for most uses and easy to edit. If you want super high quality, try 4K. But 1080p is great for starting out. Make sure autofocus is on, so your video stays sharp. Let's look at some cool features. Try using the touchscreen. Just stop where you want to focus. Play with creative filters in the menu. They make your photos look fun. And if you get stuck, check the camera's built-in guides. They're really helpful. Here are a few tips just for you. Hold your camera steady. Use both hands. Stand still or use something to lean on. Natural light is your best friend. Go near a window or outside if you can. Think about your photo. Don't always put your subject in the middle. Try the rule of thirds. Move your subject to the side for a more interesting photo. Let's avoid some beginner problems. Always check your battery before you leave home. Make sure your SD card is inside. Clean the lens gently with a soft cloth. Don't use the zoom too much. Walk closer if you can. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. You'll get better every time you take photo. You might have some questions. For example, how do you see your photos? Press the play button. Wanna delete a photo? Press the trash can icon. Need flash? Pop up the flash on top of your camera. Alright, so now, let's take a few photos together. Try a portrait. Switch to portrait mode. Point at someone and take a shot. Go outside and take a landscape photo. Find something close, like a flower, and try a close-up. Tap the screen to change focus and see how your photos look. That's it. You know the best beginner settings for your Canon R50. Try this out and have fun. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'm here to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.